Imagine a reality unlike anything we have ever known. A universe where distant worlds shine with the glow of artificial light, bright enough to rival the stars themselves. A place where the night sky is illuminated not by nature, but by technology created on planets that circle suns far beyond our own. This breathtaking possibility, once locked inside the pages of science fiction, now feels closer than ever. Breakthroughs in space technology have pushed human vision into places we could once only dream of. Leading this revolution is the James Webb Space Telescope, an eye in the void that is rewriting humanity's understanding of the cosmos. In one of the most surprising revelations of our time, researchers studying the Proxima Centauri system, our closest neighboring star, have detected what appears to be artificial illumination on its planet Proxima b. If confirmed, this would be the single most important discovery in human history. It would suggest not just alien life, but the presence of a civilization advanced enough to reshape its own world with light, much like our cities shine across Earth's night side. This insight reaches far beyond science. It touches the deepest parts of our imagination. What kind of beings could create such light? What stories do they carry? What might they think of us? And how would humanity respond to the realization that we are not alone? Such a discovery would shift the center of human thought. For centuries we have placed ourselves at the center of existence. But proof of another intelligent society would transform our philosophies, our beliefs, our future technologies, and even the way nations interact with one another. Humanity would face a new era with new responsibilities, one where cooperation might matter more than rivalry. The James Webb Telescope lies at the heart of this moment. Through its powerful infrared vision, it peers through cosmic dust, searching for the chemical fingerprints of life, water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and other vital molecules. It not only scans exoplanets, but also looks back into the earliest eras of the universe, observing the first stars and galaxies as they ignited. Its discoveries challenge long-standing ideas about how the universe expands, how galaxies form, and how dark matter shapes everything we see. Each new observation opens another door, forcing us to rethink what is possible. But the most transformative revelations come from its study of distant worlds. The hidden planets JWST is detecting, some with complex atmospheres, others with dazzling reflections, suggest that the universe is far richer and more varied than we once believed. It is no longer unthinkable that advanced civilizations might leave behind detectable traces of their existence, industrial signatures, energy patterns, or even night-side illumination. These possibilities are not fantasies, they are scientific predictions shaped by new data. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is evolving. Instead of relying solely on radio signals, researchers now examine infrared emissions, strange atmospheric compositions, and anomalies in the brightness of far-off planets. This shift reveals worlds we could never have found before and hints at pathways for communication that may have been hidden for centuries. Perhaps, somewhere across the vastness of space, other civilizations have been sending out their own subtle signals, signals we are only now learning how to recognize. As humanity steps deeper into this uncharted era, we do so together. The quest to find others among the stars is also a quest to understand ourselves, our curiosity, our fears, our hopes, and our place in the boundless cosmos. For as long as humans have been alive, we have lifted our eyes toward the night sky and wondered. Long before telescopes, long before science, even before written language, the stars were our first mystery. They glimmered above ancient deserts, above oceans crossed by early explorers, above temples and villages and empires long forgotten. And as time passed, one question echoed through every culture, every generation, every mind. Are we truly alone in this vast universe? Or is intelligence a universal spark waiting to be discovered far beyond our skies? This question has shaped legends, religions, philosophies, and dreams. But today, finally, it no longer belongs only to myth or imagination. With every new observation, those ancient questions grow closer to real answers. Strange atmospheric signatures, unexpected chemical fingerprints, glowing worlds orbiting distant suns. Each discovery pushes us a little further toward the truth. We now stand at the threshold of a new cosmic era, an era where we can look deeper, farther, and clearer than ever before. An era built not on guessing, but on data coming from the very edge of creation. And leading us into this era is the James Webb Space Telescope, a machine so advanced, so sensitive, that it can detect the faint heat of planets hundreds of trillions of miles away. Floating a million miles from Earth, wrapped in silence, Webb watches stars being born, galaxies colliding, and atmospheres swirling around distant worlds. Every image it sends home brings the universe a little closer. Every spectrum reveals secrets hidden for billions of years. And yet, the most profound change is not happening in space, it's happening inside us. Because as we search for life among the stars, we discover something deeper about humanity itself. We realize that despite our conflicts, our fears, and our differences, we share a single cosmic curiosity. We are explorers, not because we must be, but because we cannot help it. Something within us is drawn to the unknown. And if intelligent life exists out there, whether it hides beneath the icy crust of a moon, swims through the clouds of an exoplanet, or thrives within the energy of a civilization older than Earth, it won't just expand science. It will redefine our place in the universe. It will challenge what we believe about life, consciousness, and the future of humanity. It will force us to rethink our purpose. It will remind us that the universe has never been silent, only waiting. So as Webb continues to scan the darkness, we hold on to the questions that have guided us across centuries. What if other minds are watching the same stars we do? What if their civilizations wondered about us long before we learned to see them? And what will it mean, truly mean, when the distance between us and them finally begins to close? This moment in history is more than science. It is a turning point in the story of our species. If this vision stirs your imagination, share your thoughts below, and stay with us as we continue following the trail of light scattered across the universe. Somewhere out there, hidden in a spectrum, a signal, or a faint glimmer on a distant world, the next great discovery is waiting. And when it arrives, it may change everything we thought we knew about life, space, and our future among the stars.